Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for your online class. So, please get ready with your gadgets as we are going to conduct our classes online from today onwards. So, today we are going to start with our English work. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English Perfection Toolkit Level 2, Perfection Book 2. So, we have started with Perfection Book 2 and we have completed section D in this. So today we are going to start with section E, and today we are going to start with articles. Today we are going to start with articles unit 4. We will do unit 3 after completing articles unit 4. Okay? So today we are going to start with unit 4 articles. So what are articles and why we use articles? So we have three articles, that is a and the. We have three articles, a and the. So we put these articles according to the phonic sounds, you can say, or phonetic sounds, you can say, or according to their singular and plural, according to their specification, according to the rules of articles. So in this, we are going to learn about a, the rule of an, and rule of the. So there are few rules. According to those rules, we put a and the. Getting this point? So we have three articles, a and the, or you can say a and the. So before starting with articles, let's revise English alphabet. So you know English alphabet? Yes or no? So let's revise English alphabet, everyone. So English alphabet says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So all these are English alphabet. Yes, these are the letters of English alphabet. So we have 26 letters. How many letters we have? We have 26 letters. And out of these 26 letters, we have 5 vowels and 5 vowel sound. For example, how a apple, a elephant, ink pot, o orange, a umbrella. Okay, so when we are talking about the phonic sound, when we are talking about the phonetics, we are talking about a, a, e, o. So the sound of u is a. Fine. When the sound of u is coming then we put an. And when the sound of u is coming like a year, then we put a. This is the first rule for u. Letter u goes with a also, goes with an also. When you will go with a, u a के साथ कब जाएगा? जब u की साउंड य आएगी. Unicorn, university, uniform, unity. So when y sound is coming from u, then we put a. And when u is giving the sound of a, umbrella, then we are going to put an. Then we are going to put an. Sound के ऊपर work करना है. We have to work on the sounds. Listen to me very carefully. With letter U goes with an also, U goes with a also. But when U is giving the sound of y, then it will go with a. A unicorn, a university, a uniform, a unity. Unity. Starting with U, but the sound is y. When U gives the sound of a, umbrella, then an will be used. An umbrella, not a umbrella. Getting this point? This is the first rule. The basic rule of you. Otherwise, A is used with a word beginning with a consonant sounds. So b, k, d, f, h, j, m, n, all these sounds are consonant sounds. Fine? Yes or no? Okay. And is used before the words beginning with a vowel or where H is silent. Means when H is coming with O, H goes silent. Honest. We don't say honest, we say honest. So honest O. The vowel sound is O. So we will write an honest man. An hour ago. Getting this point? So when H is silent, then we use an. Getting this point? Then the is used when we talk of a particular person, place, animal, or thing, but not the name of the person. We will not write the Shah Rukh Khan. Sorry, only Shah Rukh Khan. Getting this point? But when we are talking about the Prime Minister, now we are talking about the position of that person, the Prime Minister, not the Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. We don't write the with the name of place like countries, cities, or states. Places like the Taj Mahal, done. Because it's one in the whole world. But with the name of a country and cities, the will not come. The India nahi hota, the Ambala city, the Haryana, the Punjab, the Uttar Pradesh. We don't write the with the name of states, cities, or country. We write the with the places like the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. Getting this point? In the places we include only the monuments, you can say, not the name of the country, city, or state. Animal, when we are talking about the one classified, there are many animals. Yes or no? There are many animals. But when we are talking about the king of the jungle, we say the lion is the king of the jungle. The lion, because lion, one lion or many lion, we are talking about the animal lion, the specific animal that is lion. So we don't write a lion, we write the lion. And when we're talking about the specific thing, for example, I'm talking about one particular pen, then I'm going to write the pen, the red pen. I'm talking about the red pen, the particular red pen. Okay? The earth. There is only one earth, there is only one sun, there is only one moon. The earth moves around the sun. The sun. So when we are talking about the specific particular person, place, animal, or thing, but not with the name of a person. We don't write the with the name of a person. We are not going to write the Aditya, the Arush, the Chahat, the Sukhpreet, the. I'm not going to put the. I'm going to say Arush, Chahat, Sukhpreet, Sharak. Only going to say about the name. But when I'm talking about the boy sitting on the last bench, getting this point, the boy, I'm talking about this particular boy who is sitting at the last bench. Then I'm going to put the, because boy is a person. So the will come with that particular person. The place when I'm talking about the monument. Animal when I'm talking about the particular animal and particular thing. Getting this point? So if you have done with this work, you have to write a and the in your notebook. Okay, you have to write these three lines, these three sentences in your notebook. We have done this work in the offline classes, but you're going to do this. If you have not done, then complete your work. So you're going to write, I have highlighted in this particular box, So these 3 points should be there in your notebook. Okay, these 3 points should be there in your notebook. Getting this point? Yes or no? Okay. After writing this, we are going to read page number 41. So turn to page number 41, everyone. So on page number 41, it's a visual page. A bird, a tree, a cake. An ant starting with a, that is vowel. An ice cream starting with e sound, that is ice cream. Then an ice cube. Then we have the moon, the Ramayana. When we are talking about the particular thing, when we are talking about the holy books, the Ramayana, the Guru Granth Sahib, then the Quran, the Bible. We are talking about the particular holy books of our religions. Getting this point? So you're going to read page number 41 and you're going to write the definition of article A and the in your notebook. So this is your work. So now please take out your diaries, everyone. So, before writing your diaries, after writing all the definitions, you have to do this activity in your notebook. You're going to write articles, English alphabet on the top of the page, okay? And then you're going to write all the letters, and you have to tell which letter is a vowel and which letter is consonant. For example, I have done few in front of you. A is vowel, B is consonant, C is consonant, D is consonant, then E is again vowel, and F is consonant. Similarly, you're going to write all the 26 letters and then you're going to differentiate them whether it's a vowel or a consonant. And after writing this particular activity, after doing this activity, you are going to write the diary also. You are going to write the date. In English column, you're going to write read and write definition of article A and the on page number 40 in your notebooks. Read page number 41. Do English alphabet activity in notebook. Okay. If you have written all these definition, then it's good. If you have not, so please write them, complete your work. After completing your work, click the image, click the picture and send it to me. Getting this point? So do complete your work. In next class, we're going to start with the exercise of articles. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.